and therefore she has the right to shut you down. And so the idea is that your words are violence to her identity, and therefore she has the right to react. This is the term you hear on campus a lot is microaggressions. And this idea that my opinion microaggresses you. Now, even that terminology I think is really stupid because normally in regular life we would say that's insulting and you said something I don't like. The terminology microaggression suggests aggression, like I'm actually doing something aggressive to you. And the rational response to someone aggressing you is to use physical force in response. And so you start to see a more violent response. I think it's been growing in our politics. I think there's a reactionary side on the right that's growing. If there's an identity politics on the left that says, black identity politics, gay identity politics, female identity politics, I think you're starting to see in some areas of white identity politics that's almost formed in response. Like, okay, well, if everybody else gets to have their identity politics, why can't we defend ourselves on those same grounds? I hate that shit. I mean, I think it's terrible.
I hate that shit too, and I would like to find the person who invented the term microaggression. Because that fucker, whoever it was, they created quite a mess. Now, I'm sure you saw what happened at Evergreen with Brett Weinstein, where literally the left is eating itself, and that's where it gets crazy. It's like you're not progressive enough unless you're literally submitting to leaving your class because you're white. Like, you can't be there because you're white. They want a day of absence, meaning the professors, the white people. And then when you don't do it, you're somehow another racist and a Nazi. I mean, the whole thing was very bizarre to watch, but not surprising because you see it so much, so often all over the country right now.